Hello, my name is Jerica and this is my informative speech. Fitness and health is very important and should be applied to everyone's daily lifestyles. I'm going to inform you why it is so important to include physical activity in your everyday lives. Then I'm going to focus on one particular exercise, which is running, and the advantages and disadvantages that come with it. Let's first get into why physical activity is so important to our health. You need to first keep in mind how much physical activity is actually enough. It is a fact that if you just put in 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity every week, you consistently reduce your risk of chronic diseases. There are several benefits that also come from physical activity, which include improved cardiorespiratory fitness, bone health, cardiovascular system, and a favorable body composition. It has also been researched that physical activity can lower the risk of early death, heart diseases, certain cancers, and even reduce depression. Having a lot of physical activity also improves your overall mental health. For instance, it's known to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. One particular exercise that you can gain a lot of health and wellness from is running. And there are 6 benefits of becoming a runner, which are improvement of health, prevention from disease, getting in shape, a boost of confidence, relief of stress, and once again, elimination of depression. Based on the research of running improving your health, it raises your levels of good cholesterol while increasing lung function and use. Also, one benefit that attracts a lot of women is that running can help lower the risk of getting breast cancer in the future. Compared to most exercises, running is the best for losing or maintaining weight, and it's also the second most effective exercise regarding calories burned per minute. Skiing is actually the first. Along with the advantages also comes disadvantages of being a runner. And there's a few things that you need to take caution for if you're an everyday runner. These disadvantages include inflammation, cardiac events, and arthritis. Inflammation can arise from marathon runners. It takes up to 12 weeks to fully repair muscle fibers that have been damaged from long-distance running. Also, about 90% of marathon runners have reported stiffness or pain from long-distance running. Cardiac events happen more usual if you have a family history of heart problems, high cholesterol, or even warning signs such as nausea. For instance, Jim Fixx, the author of the bestseller The Complete Book of Running, had several marathons before dying from a heart attack in the middle of his run in 1984. When it comes to the correlation of running and arthritis, basically, continuing to run on an overused joint injury can create trauma, which leads to numerous microfractures in the underlying bones, making things much more worse than what they originally were. These disadvantages that I've shared with you shouldn't drive you away from being a runner, but just to take care and caution of the harm that it can have on your body. I've explained to you how important physical activity is on a regular basis and the advantages and disadvantages of being a runner. Hopefully you can take the knowledge I have shared with you and apply it and make health and fitness a high priority in your life. You're good.